you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Janice, and today's video is going to be a clean with me. So first thing I like to do in the morning when I wake up is open up the blinds. I tend to not open the ones in the front. I usually do the ones in the back because we live on a cul-de-sac and I have really nosy neighbors. So I like to open up the ones in the back where you get full sun. So the first thing we're going to do in terms of cleaning is get all the dirty rugs up off the floor. My family had the stomach virus or something they had that gave them diarrhea. So I needed to clean the bathroom, like deep clean the bathrooms. So I had to get all the rugs off the floor and all the towels out of the bathrooms and into the washing machine. I love this washer because it's really big and it holds a lot of stuff. The only thing I do not like about this washer is the agitator in the middle, because after a few washes it gets really gross and it smells horrible, so I have to pour bleach in it to clean it out, and I don't really like doing that. So hopefully in the near future I can replace this washer with the one that doesn't have the agitator in the middle. That would be phenomenal, but there's nothing wrong with this, and I'm gonna probably use this washer for a very long time, but that's the only thing that I don't like about it.
Just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I can't focus. I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my. I just need to clear my head. Oh, clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head.
Okay guys, so I am a little weirdo when I clean toilets. I know, I get it. Yes, I'm a weirdo, but I clean the toilet like 50 men done used it and it's disgusting. I use Lysol. I use everything that has anything that says 99.9%. It kills the germ. Anything that says 99.9, I'm using that sucker. I'm not a natural person like, oh, everything has. No, I want to make sure there's no germs in my house that's going to come and attack my family. And next thing you know, we're the next family that's creating some kind of virus that they don't even have vaccine for. So yeah, I'm a overkill because I don't want to be that family that creates the next virus that doesn't have a vaccine. You know what I mean? Like, yeah, I'm that girl. So I'm a weirdo when I clean. I like to clean doors, handles, baseboard. I just overdo it. Just when I get in the mood to clean, I'm gonna clean. That's just me. And if I don't feel like it, I'm just not gonna clean. I go from one extreme to the next. I can be your girl that likes everything to be spotless and clean, and then next thing you know, I'm a hoarder.
wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Say sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
Okay, so up next is the master bathroom, and this bathroom, it stays pretty clean because my husband and I are the only one using it, and we mainly use the bathroom downstairs. So this bathroom stays really clean, but it can get really messy, especially when Rob tosses all of his crap from shaving into my sink and make it seem like I'm the messy one, when in reality he's the messy one, but he's never gonna admit that. But this bathroom stays pretty clean, and it wasn't much to do in here.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. Make it last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only
Okay, so I don't have a lot of bathrooms in my house, to be fair. It's only 2.5 baths. But after cleaning 2 bathrooms, I am so tired that I just felt like I did not want to continue on with cleaning bathrooms. And it took me 2 hours to clean just 2 bathrooms. That's how gross and disgusting they were. And I didn't even clean the bathtub because my husband had cleaned those the day before, so I didn't have to clean the bathtub. It probably would have took me 4 hours because things take long for me to clean. I don't know about, I see people clean their own entire house in 2 hours, and I'm just looking at them like, is either you're a very perfect clean person, or I'm just a nasty disgusting woman that her house just create filth that takes her forever in a day. Because when I tell people that my room took me 6 hours to clean, they're looking at me like, no way, you need to just evacuate that house and just burn it down. But anyways, moving on, I'm gonna clean the kids' bathroom. That's up next, and I didn't want to clean it.
I can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need. Can I take you there? Can I take you there? Keep telling me it's alright. How could I be so blind? I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need. Can I take you there? Can I take you there? Take you there.
So after all the bathrooms were clean, I just wanted to lay down and just take a break. But I was recording for you guys, so that kept me going. So I needed to wash the sheets, and it's just a chore. No one likes doing housework. No one. But I'm here to motivate you guys that if I can do it, anyone can do it and keep their house clean. And it's a part of life, so you just gotta do it and get it done. So I hope you guys enjoy, and let's play the music.
Can you give me what I need? Just give me what I want, baby. Can you give me what I need? Just give me what I want. Just give me what I want. Give me what I'm looking
Okay, so after everything was cleared out in the master, I went downstairs and got started on the kitchen. I usually clean the counters and the floors and everything else, and then I pile everything in the sink. And sometimes I'll wash them. Sometimes I'll just wait for my children to come home because they are in charge of the dishes. That's their chore. So I usually straighten up the kitchen and leave everything in the sink. Sometimes I'll wash them if I'm feeling generous, you know what I mean? So anyways, enjoy. And also this day I also rearranged the living room, which you will see. I'll come back in and explain what I was trying to do.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Okay guys, this picture right here gave me a heck of a time. It was just, no matter what I did, that garland that was on top of it above our stairs, because that's where this painting was, it just was not trying to stay, and no matter what I did, it just kept on falling down and just was not trying to stay. I put a lot of holes in the walls trying to secure it with little tiny nails, and it just was not working out. And I tried and tried and tried and tried, but I never gave up. I learned a lesson from this picture thing right here, that no matter what happens in life, never give up. Never give up. Take a break, analyze the situation, and always come back at it. You will find that it will give you such peace to know that you gave it your best, and you will always love the outcome because you tried. And I was so excited and so happy with myself when I got it to stay, and it was it was straight on the wall. So after that, I removed the clock and I put up this painting that I got from Oh Sweet Sky on Instagram. It's a beautiful thing that says 7 is what makes my heart whole. And then I put the clock above the refrigerator because I feel like that space above the refrigerator was just empty. So for right now, I put that clock in its space. Okay guys, so we are nearing the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and become a sunshine. And also, something I want you guys to know about me is that I'm very determined. Once I set my mind out to do something, I am going to finish it. And I set out knowing that I wanted to create a all-day clean with me. And even though it took me all day into the next day, because it took me an entire day to edit this video, I am very proud of my work, and I'm very pleased to give you guys quality videos and not quantity. So even though it might have taken me forever to get this video up and I might only get a few views on it, I still wanted to give it my best. So thank you guys so much for your support, and I will catch you guys in the next one.